In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. You need to begin by launching settings and scrolling to hit safety and emergency available here. Then tap on emergency contacts. And before doing anything, tap on change settings over here. Then make sure show when locked is enabled. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. Then tap on add contact. Select contacts. Tap on always, and finally tap on yours you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now, if you want to manage your list, tap on those three dots next to chosen contact. Then tap on move up, move down, or remove. If you decided to remove it, it will only be deleted from this list, not from your device. So don't worry and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So now let's check it out. When I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I need to hit emergency at the bottom left corner. Then slide this icon to the right, let go, and see that my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!